Hello everyone, my name Yoshai from Thailand. Today I will show you how we can use CorelDRAW. Was made for the CorelDRAW. I will show you is make many more, such as we can make a beautiful nameplate, name class, and beautiful for the logo design and sticker cards. And today I will show you take only. If want you more, please continue me. Start this menu. This display for CorelDRAW. You can open the CorelDRAW from the menu bar, and I briefly to advise. For the left hand is a toolbox, and here property bar, and next menu bar, and here for artworks, and here Docker. It's easy to make. Okay, I start this day. Today I show you how can the text, the beautiful text, before you can fix for select the paper. You can click here, rather how many size to use. You use A4 or A5. Instead I use for A4 is a general. Okay, I want to reach. If you want to reach, you can click left mouse and drag and release, and you use delete on the keyboard. Use delete again. No, is usable. You can use scroll bar. Scroll up mouse in the middle. You can here. 2. You select the paper for the portrait or landscape. Is here I select for the portrait, and you can select in millimeters pixel 1. Today I select millimeter. Okay, nothing matter. If stars, when you want to create a text, you can click here and here. This text I will show you about my works. M Y W O R K. My works. You can zoom. Okay. You can zoom by mouse for the middle, and you can select left click, and you can drag, put and release. Okay. When you want to scale or enlarge, you can click here and drag mouse. Okay. You understand? Okay, this is my works. If you want to change the text, you can select when you want to copy, you can drag left mouse, drags, you not release, and then you right click mouse, copy. Oh no, you copy. Okay. This day I want to show you how we want to font Harry Potter. You find the font Harry Potter in the internet and download font Harry Potter from the internet on your PC. If you are ready to download, you can get file, copy, right click, copy, find the window, and find the folder of font and pass, right clicks and pass. Okay. Can you understand our font? And you will find the font when you put on, and then you must change the you find the Salon Harry Potter. Okay, and then this word you can change here. Okay, my works. This of text I will show you how we use for the matching card sticker. Okay, this my work stuff. On here, and then when you will go on, you can right left clicks. Okay, click here when you want to when you want you make the text for the vector. You can use here. Can you see? And left clicks. Text is not appear below. You can see here blacks and right click, and then you can see this is the problem. is my text is overlap. How to fix? You can see how to fix. You click here, select your text, and you can go on to menu bar. You select for the orange, and here break text. Yeah, it's work. One point. One groove and two groove. This one groove is must be fixed. You can make repeat again. Orange base. You can select off, take white and drags, put in here. You can select, move. Okay, it's also ready to cutting a machine. And then if you want to know your text how high you want, go here. No, sorry, we want to check how long it takes. Here, and then vertical dimension or horizontal, check horizontal dimension. Why inch? No, we push on 4 millimeter. Okay. After that, vertical checks here about 1 inch and 2. Okay. If you want to check for how long and how wide, you must create a rectangle. You want to high of take of 70 millimeters. Okay, you can drag off. You can drag off rectangle for put on this. You can hear. So it's click to work. Click to work for groove. Make scan, and you can. No. Why not move? You can select again. Why? No. M chip. Move the rectangle is outside. Left deck cover and orange glue. You can move. Okay. You put rectangle again and shakes. Okay. Check about 7 centimeters or 70 millimeters to works. This can release. In this my my cutting tool, I can for cutting 63 centimeters. So I will select paper for the custom and select here for 630 right here. Oh no, it's wrong now. It's y 3632. It's wrong equal for the same text 2000. No 2000 200. Okay, this is my works. See again, left clicks, go to the Docker. Here you can see here, left clicks, the text is not appear, rows, and now you can see back, right clicks, is make easy, make more easy, very easy. Okay, you can do this from here, you can work. Okay, you can cutting line, you can cut line for you must use rectangle for cut line. It's make easy. Oh no, it's nearly text, no good. You can copy. If you want to copy, left you can left clicks, put on and drags and release. Copy, left clicks, drags, not release, and right click. Yes, okay, right click. This is copy. You have the two group for the sticker cutting. I have a sticker cutting from Taiwan. I install for the software, and you want to cut sticker, you can select all, and you can use tool Visual Basic, play, and select the for the machine cutting. Yes, here you use if you use. Okay, today I show you I make sure you for the works is for the next video. I show you how to translate for the tiger beef map to for the vector. You choose thank you for watching. You choose continue me. Thank you for watching.